Alright, today I'm doing a video on my latest creation. This is another Auto World pit kit on the Thunderjet Ultra G chassis. This is the 1965 Volkswagen Beetle, and you can see here I did it in a somewhat of a golf livery. I lowered the body down, I trued all the tires, adjusted the traction magnet, and I extended the wheelbase. So yeah, I think this turned out pretty good. Also had an exhaust pipe coming out the back, but I just call this my little golf fun haver. So we'll put her on the track and see how she runs. Okay, there you have it, the Volkswagen Golf Fun Haver. As always, these Ultra Gs, I think they run great. Like I say, I do true the tires on them. Basically, that's just I put a sanding stick on the track, hold the back tires down to it, and give her the throttle, and it'll sand the wheels down nice and level and smooth, and take any unevenness out of them. And I also, a lot of times, I will do the front tires as well, because you know Auto World, they have that little lip on their tires, and that will take that right off. I just use a really fine grit sandpaper, and it works great. You can see I did also cut the front fenders way back on both sides, and I cut the rear fenders all the way off on this one. Make it kind of look like a kind of like a sand buggy. And like I say, I extended the wheelbase so it even handles even better. But I've never had any issues with these Ultra Gs anyway. I think they always handle great. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one.